Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut Virtual Card on Android. Revolut is a digital banking app that offers a range of financial services including virtual cards. A virtual card is a digital version of a physical credit or debit card that can be used for online transactions. To get started, you need to have the Revolut app installed on your Android device. If you don't have it, download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app, sign in to your account or create a new one if you don't have one already. After signing in, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see all your physical and virtual cards. To create a new virtual card, tap on the Add Card button and select Virtual Card. Choose the type of card you want to create, such as a Visa or MasterCard, and follow the prompts to complete the process. Once your virtual card is created, you can use it for online transactions. To do this, go to the website or app where you want to make a purchase and select the payment method as card. Enter the details of your virtual card, including the card number, expiry date, and security code. You can find these details in the Revolut app by tapping on the virtual card. One of the benefits of using a virtual card is that it provides an extra layer of security for your transactions. You can freeze or unfreeze your virtual card at any time. And you can also set a spending limit to prevent unauthorized transactions. In addition to making online purchases, you can also use your virtual card for contactless payments on your Android device. To do this, you need to add your virtual card to Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app, tap on the Add Card button, and select the virtual card you created in the Revolut app. To keep your virtual card secure, make sure to keep your Revolut app and Android device up to date with the latest security patches. Also, never share your virtual card details with anyone, and always monitor your transactions to detect any suspicious activity. In conclusion, using a Revolut virtual card on Android is a convenient and secure way to make online transactions. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a virtual card, use it for online purchases, and keep your transactions secure. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date, and never share your virtual card details with anyone.